As we emerged from initial lockdown in early July, hospitality businesses in the West End were anxious to find ways to reopen. And yet social distancing rules meant that restaurants and bars had a limit on the number of people they could accommodate. The borough was therefore under a lot of pressure to find other ways for bars, clubs and restaurants to reopen safely. We developed a strategy, a toolkit for extending pavement space and in some cases allowing time closure of roads to enable dining in the space of the street. We formed a rapid reaction team with Westminster City Council and NRP engineers to develop a series of temporary measures that transformed in total over 50 streets. In Soho, the response enabled 90% of the area's businesses in hospitality to reopen, saving more than 2,000 jobs. Making space across London for walking, cycling and dining really demonstrates how possible it is to make big changes in a very short time. Also, it's possible to trial ideas, and if something works, make it permanent.
Right now, there are thousands of people traveling by bus in Barcelona every day. And we want to make sure that this experience is safe and comfortable for every user. That's why our team at inLAB from Polytechnical University of Catalonia is working with Autocorp and GeoActio in the project called IntelliBus to build an application that informs the users about the occupancy of the buses. Because of the COVID pandemic, we had to accelerate the deployment of this functionality in order to ensure there's social distancing inside buses and reduce the spread of the virus. So to succeed at this project, we have to collaborate very close with experts on mobility from bus companies. We have to work agile, responding to any change and giving the outcomes efficiently and effectively.
In spring 2020, the city launched a new document called Adaptation Strategy to define an agile and flexible way to quickly deal with the increasing needs of the new normal. The Open Streets program was born in this context, with the ambition to create 35 kilometers of new pop-up bicycle lanes to immediately offer a mobility alternative to people to reach the city center without crowding the public transport. The first kilometers of new bike lanes have been implemented into a weekend only. More than 2,000 requests for street areas have been approved and implemented in a few months, as well as 400 parklets. In this context, tactical urbanism can be seen as a unique opportunity to improve temporary interventions that, compared to the business as usual, are flexible, require months instead of years to pass from design to operation, and 1 or 2 orders of magnitude less in terms of costs. It is all a matter of a behavioral change, where citizens, the final users of the public open space, have to play a crucial role.